Ndewo, my learners. Welcome to lesson 8. Today we'll talk about food and drinks because who doesn't love to eat? Let's learn how to name them in Igbo. Repeat after me. These are foods in Igbo. Osikapa, rice. Osikapa jollof, jollof rice. Ji, yam. Ofe, soup. Akpụ, fufu. Agwa, beans. Ogede, plantain. Anụ, meat. Now, drinks. Mmiri, water. Nkwụ, palm wine. Mmiri ara, milk. Let's put it into action. Ana m eri ji. I eat yam. Ọ na-aṅụ mmiri. He or she drinks water. Nne m na-esi ofe. My mother cooks soup. Anyị na-eri ụkwa abalị ụfọdụ. We eat breadfruit most nights. Let's translate. Say these in Igbo. Pause the video and say them. I drink milk. She eats beans. They drink palm wine. We eat jollof rice. You can do this. It's easy. Now let's talk about your favorite food. Mine is rice. I love rice. I eat it with juice. My mom or dad cooks it for me. I drink palm wine every evening. Review these words. Akpụ, ofe, nkwụ, mmiri, anụ, ogede. Now, say what you had for breakfast in Igbo. Put your answers in the comment section below. Phrase of the day is Nri Ibụ. Food is life. Keep practicing. And in our next lesson, we'll talk about the weather. Ihu igwe na oge.